So ladies and gentlemen, today the journey starts. We are officially covering the FIFA World Cup, yani SPM Sports.
It's official.
Yani kidota kwa pale zako tu ni vile naona Mbappe akisonga na mpira. Hey bro, make it. Hey,
no, thank you
show us
so
your
much.
ways.
It's an opportunity to represent SPM Africa, SPM Sports, FIFA World Cup 2026. Here we go.
And we really appreciate. Thanks for being there for the journey. Wase mnakumbuka mali tulianza hii journey SPM. Pole tu.
Kwa mbao, nitakaje huko?
Huko kulikuwa na kashimo fulani pale Aligam, tukaenda kingine pale Thika Road.
Mali tutengeza mbao?
Kariako. So right now, and here tuna cover global, and we really appreciate. Thank you for your support. Thank you all as wamekuapo from day one. Follow SPM Sports. This is going to be revolutionary, covering sports globally. Hata Afghanistan kukiwa na sports mtatuona huko.
So to the Kenyans diaspora in America, we're coming for you. We're coming to highlight your story. We're coming to tell your stories. And please reach out to us on social media platforms. Remember, make sure kama una bundle, weka notification on.
Unacho.
Says here. America, here we come.